How to fix M02 Shopee error. Now, first things first, before we run the troubleshooting, please do make sure that your Shopee application is updated to the latest version. Simply access your Google Play Store and then search for Shopee. From here, as what you can see, update is required on my end right now. You'll just have to update that, and then it will automatically update by itself. Now, the other thing that you have to make sure is you need to understand first the minimum spent or the minimum amount of the fund that you need to purchase a certain product before you can use the voucher. Now, in that case, all I have to do is just check any of those cards that you have. For example, this one, and then if once you check out, and then you have a specific voucher that has been applied. Then once you place the order, you'll receive M02 Shopee error. Now you can go ahead and try to place that item on your cart and then try to remove all of the vouchers that you added. And from here, all you just have to do is replace the order again, remove the voucher, and try to add the voucher once again. Again, you really need to keep in mind you need to check first the minimum spend of that certain voucher is requiring you to have, because if you will not be reaching out the minimum spend of that specific voucher, then you won't be able to use that. Now, there are some instances that there will be a bug or error that will occur once you use a specific voucher because of the requirements that you have not complied. So those are the keys and the things you need to check first before you use that voucher, and that's how you fix M02 Shopee error.